Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netspend fast method step by step clearly. To activate your Netspend card, start by locating your card number. The card number is typically found on the front of your Netspend card. Next, visit the Netspend website using your computer or smartphone. Once on the home page, look for the Activate Card option. Click on the Activate Card link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the card number you located earlier. Fill in the required information, including the expiration date of your card. After entering the details, click the Continue button. You may be asked to provide personal information for verification purposes. This information may include your name, address, and date of birth. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, set up your online account by creating a username and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security purposes. After setting up your account, you will receive a confirmation. This confirmation indicates that your card has been successfully activated. Now, you can start using your Netspend card for transactions. Remember to keep your card and account information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.